Welcome back to Amazing Planet, where we bring the wild world right to your screen. Here's a cool fact to start. Did you know that some starlings can mimic human speech just like parrots? Pretty amazing, right? Today, we're diving into the world of a stunning and rare bird, the black-winged starling. Let's get started. The black-winged starling is a striking bird found in Indonesia, known for its white feathers with bold black wings. This beauty loves open woodlands and coastal areas, but sadly, is now critically endangered due to habitat loss and the illegal pet trade. It has a beautiful melodic song, which makes it a favorite among bird enthusiasts. In the wild, it feeds on insects, fruit, and nectar, playing a key role in seed dispersal. Conservation efforts are in place, but its future depends on protecting its natural habitat. What an incredible bird, right? Speaking of amazing creatures, did you know that the slow loris is one of the only venomous primates in the world? Nature is full of surprises. If you love learning about rare and fascinating animals, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next adventure. See you next time on Amazing Planet.